guys, it's Andrea. It's already a mess. I tried filming this already and I'm going to go ahead and restart. So I'm going to just go ahead and kind of just go through this kit by kit. I was trying to tell you guys so many things and I think I just lost it. So there's a lot of information in this video. First things first is my reformat is supposed to come out on June 8th, but I'm actually trying to fast track that. So there's going to be a lot of new releases coming up. Lots and lots and lots. Like there might be some weeks with 4. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I have here is a B6 monthly kit, and this fits the So Much Crafting inserts. I don't believe it fits a lot of the other ones. I personally just usually use So Much Crafting, so that's why I made them for that, and most of you guys use those as well. So I just did the same exact format as the last one, but this is using the baby cakes art, which I think is super cute. So if you guys want to pick this up, I asked if you guys wanted me to kind of like backtrack and do older months to back plan, but also like this isn't like year specific, so if you already did May, you could pick it up for next year if you really like it. So I did do a spread using the spring break one for June. If you guys want to check that out, it's probably about 10 videos back. So there's that. The next thing I'll get into is Summer Breeze, I think. No, like let's actually just do this one real quick. So then I also have the Adventures of Pinky kit, which it is a collab with Mommy Lay. I did do a spread using it last week. It's a mini kit exclusive, and it's just such a cute kit. Jessica also did use this kit, and it is in her plan with me for this week. So you do have the same sampler as normal. You have your full boxes, which are so cute and fun. Then you have your Silver Weekend banner with your functional page. I also mentioned in the other video that don't ask about my nails, we'll talk about it another time, but I do have like a base coat on them so they look really weird. Then you have your half box page, and then this is kind of the same as the photo kit, so you do have the date covers, the bottom washi, and the habit trackers with a little bit of washi on there. You might have saw it if you already watched my plan with me, because I did go through the kit and show you guys what is up. There is a lot coming out this week, huh? Yeah. Then there's also an option if you want to do a glitter sampler. These do have like the big fancy labels. So this is the colorful version, this is the silver version. I used the silver version, Jessica did the colorful version. If you want to see how both of those look, you guys can check those videos out. And then there's also the bow add-on, which are such cute color bows. I love them with the little silver clip. Super dang cute. Then we'll go on to Summer Breeze, which is probably one of my favorite collections ever. I just love the colors of this. I did tweak it from the original artist's colors. I just wanted to do a little bit more of like blue and pink, which I think is super cute. But I just love this so much. I actually was considering using this for my birthday. I don't know if I can, just because my birthday is like on a Monday, and then I think this Sunday, is that the 29th? Is the shop anniversary, and I think that only happens like once every 7 years that'll be on the same like spread, so I figured a birthday kit is like has to happen. So I really love this, and I am 100% going to use it sometime. I just gotta find the time for it. You have your deco on the top, and then down here you have like a little like water bow. I've been trying to do like patterns in here and I've been really liking it. And then you have 3 unreleased scribblers. So you have a scribbler and a floppy hat on a flamingo, and then on a like towel laying out. Then you also, which I'm going to show you guys in the ombre hair checklist, because there's the same pattern in here, but it's a little easier to see whenever you see it all. So you have the same trees down here are a little background kind of detail, which I really like. And then that's the same in these. I love these colors. I think they're so fun. You have your half boxes and quarter boxes, your pattern washi, which you have the water and then the marble, and then your solid washi little things and labels. And I love this. You have 2 double box scenes. I wasn't going to do 2, but really you can just make these by themselves. I was going to do something like, I was doing this and I was like, might as well just like continue the pattern. So if you wanted to use it as a double box, you could, but you don't like totally have to. And I honestly think this would also make kind of a cute little like double box if you put this on the other side, so you could kind of have like a full scene going, which is super cute. And I love like the pinks and the whites. It's just so cute. Then you have your extra full box, which has like 3 different girls in it. And then you have your little camera there, and then you have the marble like walk area and into the pool, and the silver date covers, which I just think is such a cute collection. So that is the ultimate kit. I will be having new journaling cards in the shop. There will be a double-sided one like normal sized one, like I think it's 4x6 with this girl here. It'll be double-sided with her in the main shop whenever these orders go out. It'll actually be a little bit before these orders go out, but I'll post a picture of that on Instagram. It's coming in on Thursday, which is tomorrow, and I also will have a new journaling card from MoreSPC, which features the girl in the pool. So I'll post that on my Instagram as well. They just will be in on Thursday, so I don't have them to show now, but I will have them to show for you guys later. So then this also does come in the mini kit. Wanted to mention that I do unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. For the first 3 hours. So if you guys like the mini kits, they usually do sell out the fastest, but they do have that unlimited stock window of 3 hours. So there is that. That is the mini kit, a Summer Breeze. Summer Breeze does have 2 different glitter options. There is the silver option. I don't know which one I'm going to use. And then there's the colorful. I'll probably just keep both of them home and just kind of figure it out when the time comes. And then I also did a personal washi if you want to add that on. I thought it was cool, kind of like splitting it in half. And then there's also Fashion Girl add-on if you want to add on a Fashion Girl. These are super cute. I love the girl with the pink hair. Let me zoom you guys in just a smidge. So the girl with the pink hair is super cute. We have one with red hair, black hair, and then brown hair. And then there's also a bow option. The bows are only available until Sunday, and then we remove them. They're like a weekend only. So that is Summer Breeze. Then we also have this collection here, which is called Jessica, and I'm just so obsessed with this collection. I'm actually going to use this for Jessica's birthday, which I just think is so fitting, and it is a mermaid collection. So let's go ahead and show you guys the ultimate. I love the yellow. I'm obsessed with yellow right now, and I wanted to make sure that I pulled as much yellow in as possible. So these are the colors, super cute. Again, yellow and pink, very like pink lemonade mermaid-y. Then we have another unreleased Scribblers down here. You have your mermaids with all the different colored tails. You have yellow, pink, and then green with another patterned bow. A bunch of deco up on top here. Then in the background of the, weekly checklist, and then also the hearts, you do have a silver sparkle, and then you have some half boxes, some patterned washi, some little things, and again that same sparkle in the background. And I love these full boxes. I think they're so cute. So you have 4 different girls in here. That's why I didn't do like Fashion Girls, just because I think this is already very girl heavy, but I wanted to make sure to pull in a lot of that yellow. I love this box with the stroke of yellow, and then this girl's like yellow tail and the pineapple, so cute. And then you have your bottom washi, which has that faux double look with your pink lemonade, which I'm going to probably pull in the yellow, the one I used with this, the yellow Simply Gilded with the silver, because I think that'll look so cool. But you could kind of choose then if you wanted to do it with maybe something else and use with this, or you want to just use it as it is, and then you have your extra full box here. So super, super, I'm going to pull that one over there. Super, super cute. And that is the Jessica kit. It also does come in a mini kit. So the mini kit has the freebie, the full boxes, the functional page, the half boxes page, and then also the bottom washi with the small selection of deco there, and washi and habit trackers. So that is that. Then it also does come with options if you want to add on. What kit is this? I don't know. Sometimes the bows, I'm like, I don't know what collection that goes with. I'll figure it out later. So the Jessica kit does have an option for the a la carte sampler. I just did it in the colors because I think the colors are really pretty with the silver. But you could also definitely, if you just wanted to do all silver, you could do the, I mean, you could really do either of the silvers that are coming out this week. But you could totally easily just pick up the Summer Breeze silver. It's very, very similar. The silver might be just a smidge darker, but y'all won't be able to tell. And then there is an option for the kind of like marbly pastel personal washi, and then there's also an option if you want to add on the bows with the silver clip, which is super cute. And then last but not least, oh, also, quickly, before I forget, I am going to be doing a, just for the first, I think for the first 3 hours, I'm going to do a stock of Bloom, which is our pink photo kit, and I did reformat the glitter sampler, and I am going to be adding bows to that. So that was our first photo kit, so I'm going to do a 3-hour unlimited stock on that if you want to pick it up. And then the last kit, which has the most stuff available ever, is Pool House, and this is an exclusive kit drawn by Jessica. I did sneak the a la carte full boxes on Instagram. And this is kind of like a Big Brother themed kit, though I don't watch Big Brother, and I was putting it together and I was like, I want to really be able to use this, but I don't get any of this stuff. There's like, and I've mentioned before that there's something really funny about this kit, so we'll get into it. So I love these colors. I think they're so cute. Then you have your little scribblers down here. Again, an unreleased scribbler in her little bikini. And look at this deco, the pool floats, the silver, the colors I'm living. You have your functional page. You have the different color water in the background of the pattern washi, the solid washi, and little things. I did something different here and put like the deco on top of the pattern, which I think turned out really cute. You have your ombre heart checklist, and then look at this. Isn't this so funny? I just loved it. I was like, Jessica, please draw me a man with a 6-pack. And she was like, yes, I will. So this is called Pool House, so it's kind of like just like a pool house theme, I guess. So you have different colored background waters with just different colored like pool elements, and then you have a girl in her little retro swimming suit, and then a guy in some pink swim trunks. Then on your bottom wash, you have the donuts, the little date covers have silver, and then you have an extra full box with the donuts in a different color background. So I initially was like doing this as a Big Brother kit. That's what I told Jessica I wanted. So I did go ahead and put the Big Brother elements on an a la carte for $2 if you want to pick this up, and you can just switch out some of the boxes. The ones that I kind of like plan for to switch out are these two here for these two, and then these lighter blue ones for whatever these things are. Honestly, I don't watch Big Brother. It's cute, but I don't get it. I watched Big Brother for like a second and was like, I don't understand what's going on. So, but I know Jessica's like in love with this. She likes it a lot. And so does Kirsten. Kirsten loves Big Brother too. So they know what's up. And I was like, I want to use it, and I know a lot of other people are going to too, but that don't watch Big Brother, so I wanted to make sure it had elements that kind of were across the board understandable. So then you have your mini kit for Pool House. There's 2 glitter header options. I feel like I did a lot of silver and probably could have just did like 1 silver. I guess they're all kind of slightly different. So there are all silver glitter header options as well as the colorful. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. You have the personal washi add-on, which has the donuts. You have the like Big Brother add-on that has the different elements of Big Brother. You have the bows, which these will also be the first $200, the first 200 order bows will be these ones, but you can also pick those up if you want to pick up extra because they're pretty colors. There's also a shop exclusive post-it, which is super cute. It's like the same ones that are in the mystery, but it is just kind of themed to this collection, and it has little check boxes, which are cute, and a little silver like outline, which is adorable. So we'll have those available, and then we also will have a die cut pack, which will be only available for the weekend like the bows are. So these will be a pack of 4, and I just think they're so cute, and I will go ahead and put the pricing in the description, or at least I'll try and remember to. I can't remember what we decided on. I don't remember, but I will put it down below. But these are so cute. They're in the same like glossy cardstock as our wizard kit was, so they're super vibrant, super cute. And like, I thought these colors were really fun for summer. So that's everything for this week. I'm sorry there's so much going on, but like I said, it's going to be kind of crazy for the next couple of weeks with the bundle and everything coming out. And I will go ahead and sneak something else that's in the bundle, which are these adorable post-its. Look how cute they are. So that's something, if you guys stayed to the end of the video, you got a little bit of a sneak, but there's a lot in the bundle and I'm really excited. So that comes out on April 27th, I believe. Is that what the date it is? Yeah, the 27th. So I'll post more on Instagram about that. But I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.